Alright YouTube, we're back, and in this one we're going to be doing a high taper. We're just going to shape it up and not really cut the top. Alright, before you start, you just want to pick his hair out. You want the hair to be in its natural position, so we're going to start off by picking it all the way around. Alright, so now we're just setting up our first guideline, which is the bald guideline, and we're using the wall retros. Since it's a high taper, we're going to the corner of the box so we can take out that hook. Now with the Bronze Series 9 shavers, you just shave out the bottom portion of the taper. Now we're creating our next guideline, which is the no guard, and we're just going up like a ½ inch. Now to get rid of that guideline, we're using the fading down method, which is you just close the lever little by little, and eventually you'll fade out the bottom line. Now with the one guard open, just go up another ½ inch. Make sure you go through the guideline a couple of times just to make sure the hair is cut evenly. Right here we're closing the one guard and we're just fading out that line. Make sure you're flicking out because we want to create another guideline. This won't really get rid of that guideline because we still have to go through and use the zero guard. With the zero guard closed, we're just flicking out the rest of the line. Make sure you use the corners with this one because, well, in my opinion, it just makes it easier with the corners instead of using the whole blade. Our next guideline is going to be with the 2 guard, and we're just going through like another ½ inch. But make sure when you get to the top you flick out because we want that flared out look. We don't really want it to like look like an undercut. To get rid of this guideline, we're just closing the number 2 guard and we're going through. Again, make sure you're going through a couple of times, not just only once. Now we're coming through with the 1 guard and we're getting rid of that line between the 1 and the 2. Now the back taper is practically the same thing. We're starting off the same way with our bald guideline. With the no guard, we're going up like an inch. Since the back side we have a little bit more space to work with, we can go a little higher. So we're going up like an inch. Now with the same method, the fading down method, we're just fading down to get rid of that guideline. And in my opinion, this is the easiest way to get rid of this guideline and the most efficient way. creating our next guideline, which is with the 1 guard, and we're going up again like an inch. Through again with the 2 guard, and we're going up another inch. Make sure you're flicking out if you want that flared out look. Now we're going to the side taper, and it's the same thing as the other side, so I'm just gonna fast forward it for you guys. Now when it comes to lining up the back taper, just keep in mind we're not trying to go for an exaggerated look. We're just trying to keep it natural and sharp, but try not to push it back too much. Right here, we're just knocking down those front hairs with the 1 guard. It's just gonna make the lining up process so much easier. When it comes to the front lineup part, just start from the middle and go to one side. And then repeat the process by going to the other side. Just after you're done with the hairline, just take a step back and make sure the hairline's straight and not crooked. doing a final shape up, and we're trying to go for that flared out look. So don't go straight up with the clipper. Try to angle the clipper like a 45-degree angle and just go up. So here's a quick before and after, and if you like the video, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna try to upload a little more often. So comment down below what kind of haircuts you want to see next. PC YouTube, PC.